Healthcare data breaches have consistently trended upwards from 2012 to 2021, according to a 2022 Health Sector Cybersecurity Coordination Center report. The rules of running a website that is compliant with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, can be difficult to understand, but as you can see, you can't afford to overlook them. Unfortunately, many healthcare professionals are still a bit fuzzy on what HIPAA rules are necessary to follow when it comes to doing business online. To make it simple, legislation demands that any website handling electronic protected health information, or ePHI, must comply with the physical, technical, and administrative safeguards of HIPAA. Hi everyone, I'm Maria from eTactics, and today I'm going to talk about 5 tips for your HIPAA-compliant website. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. Also, hit that alert bell icon so that when we post new helpful content, you get notified. Number 1. HIPAA-compliant web hosting. When considering how to avoid compromised patient information, what web host you use should be on the top of your list. This applies whether your organization is creating, transmitting, receiving, or maintaining electronic protected health information. A good web host should provide regular scans and updates to help prevent the compromise of PHI. Luckily, if an issue does arise, HIPAA guidelines state that you have a time frame of 48 hours to resolve it. So it's best to have a host that will quickly catch any security breaches. Number 2, Secure Sockets Layer SSL certification is essential for transferring data between internet channels like your website and its server. Having an SSL certificate means that data stays encrypted and is not readable by third parties. If your patients can use contact forms, appointment services, or chatbots through your site, having an SSL will protect that information. Making sure that your web host can keep web forms secure will save you a lot of frustration and hassle in the future. Number 3, multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication, or MFAs, help to add another layer of security to your website. MFAs use a multi-step account login action that requires more than just a password. Number 4, business associate contracts. If you plan on working with other businesses or healthcare systems that involved ePHI, you need to sign a business associate agreement, or a BAA, with them. A BAA contract requires that outside businesses are HIPAA compliant in their practice, saving you from liability if they leak your information. And number 5, restrict access to PHI. This might not be website specific, but it is still important. Remember that not everyone in the office needs access to PHI. The same goes for online access. Restrict access to only those who need it to perform their job. Every medical practice, healthcare provider, and business associate must adhere to HIPAA rules when they have an online presence that transfers protected health information. Failing to do so can not only result in substantial fines, but also tarnish the reputation of your company. If you'd like to learn more about keeping your website HIPAA compliant, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.